Every time a new AI model comes out, the headlines sound the same. Best model yet, biggest leap forward. But what really matters is how it changes the day-to-day experience for people who use these tools. Claude Sonnet 4.5 is Anthropic's latest release, and in today's video, we'll cover why it's worth looking at. Why it matters. If you've ever tried using AI for real coding work, you know the problems. Models forget what you told them, they collapse on multi-file projects, and they produce code that looks right, but fails under testing. The question isn't whether Claude 4.5 is smarter, it's whether it makes those frustrations less common. What's new? Here are the changes in Claude that stand out. Checkpoints in Claude code, which means if the code breaks, we can just roll back instantly to the last working version, like save points in a video game. Memory and context upgrades, which means if I'm building an app over several hours, Claude doesn't forget what I did earlier. It can actually carry the whole project through from start to finish. Agent SDK, which means I don't have to reinvent how agents store memory, ask for permissions, or coordinate tasks. Anthropic's giving us the same toolkit they use internally, so I can focus on my actual use case. Other updates include a VS Code extension, a refreshed terminal, and the ability to create files like spreadsheets or slides directly inside the chat. Small steps, but useful ones. Performance. On benchmarks, Claude 4.5 does well. It leads SWE-bench for coding tasks and jumps significantly on OSWorld, which measures real computer use. That suggests it's better at not just writing code, but actually interacting with software environments. The real test, though, will be whether developers notice fewer breakdowns in practice, fewer forgotten instructions, fewer restarts. Safety. Anthropic also emphasizes alignment. They've worked on reducing behaviors like excessive compliance or risky outputs and improved defenses against prompt injection attacks. The safeguards aren't perfect, but they're stronger than before. So overall, Claude Sonnet 4.5 appears to be a step towards making AI agents and coding tools more dependable, the kind of progress that matters, because according to Bain's recent report, up to 50% of tech spends by companies in the future could be on AI. So maybe the future with dependable AI coworkers isn't that far away. If you've been looking for a sign to learn agentic AI, this is it. And the best place to learn it is from a FAANG mentor who can also help you prepare for your tech interviews. Interview Kickstart has partnered with 700 plus FAANG mentor and helped transform the careers of over 25,000 professionals. Come meet us in the free Agentic AI webinar, the link in the description. See the course curriculum, meet your instructors, and see if it is the right fit for you. If you are not ready for a 14-week program, start with the free tutorials here on this channel. The important thing is to start.